It's been a while since sandwiches have become a yummy and easy to make dish. People now consider sandwiches as one of the most healthy and convenient choices for a quick breakfast, lunch, and also dinner. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 sandwich makers on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Hamilton Beach Sandwich Maker. The Hamilton Beach 25477 Sandwich Maker is an excellent product for those who live alone. With the compact size and user-friendly design, this device doesn't take up much space and can help you make delicious sandwiches with ease. It only takes a few minutes for you to make homemade sandwiches for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Additionally, you can customize the ingredients to your liking. You can add more cheese, meat, bacon, eggs, and so on. All parts of the Hamilton Beach 25477 Sandwich Maker are removable and dishwasher safe. Therefore, cleanup has been more accessible than ever. The non-stick coating is extremely durable and it doesn't easily peel, so this product will stay with you for years to come. Key features: making delicious meals in less than 5 minutes, durable non-stick coating, all removable parts for ease of cleaning. Number 2. Cusiner GR4NP1 Sandwich Maker. Everything becomes much quicker and easier with this 5-in-1 product. A contact grill, full griddle, panini press, or half grill are all available. You can cook lots of dishes using this sandwich maker, from sandwiches to beefsteak or various kinds of vegetables. You can adjust the temperature to fit your recipes. Moreover, there are indicator lights to let you know when the device is ready to cook. Mainly, this multifunction sandwich maker can heat up quickly and you can cook various dishes with 5 cooking functions. Cleaning is also hassle-free since the plates are removable and dishwasher safe. Key features: 5 cooking functions in one product, adjustable temperature controls, heat up evenly and quickly. Number 3. Oster Sandwich Maker. With a sturdy design, this product is an irreplaceable choice for home use. The Oster Sandwich Maker allows you to cook 30 faster, and it also lasts 8x longer than other ordinary non-stick surfaces. Thanks to the floating hinge system, you are free to customize the thickness of the sandwiches. Not only can you make grilled sandwiches with ease, but you can also grill meat and vegetables with this device. The non-stick surfaces are made from ceramic stone. The machine can heat up quickly and create a better result. With the adjustable feet, you can tilt the appliance to remove the excess fat and liquids. Key features: PTFE and PFOA-free ceramic coating, cooks 30% faster and lasts 8x longer, 2-in-1 panini press functions as a countertop grill. Number 4. Cusiner WMSW2N Sandwich Maker. The product comes with a special design from the appearance to the function. This electric sandwich maker can heat evenly on both 2 sides, making the outcome perfectly sealed and browned. With Cusiner WMSW2N Sandwich Maker, you can make 1 or 2 sandwiches at a time. It saves your time to cook a quick breakfast for your beloved children. When sandwiches are ready to serve, a red light will turn off and a green light will turn on. You don't need to focus on the sandwiches all the time. The non-stick plates make the sandwiches have a perfect look and contribute to easy cleanup. Its price also fits all budgets. Key features: equipped with indicator lights, non-stick plates, deep pocket sandwich grill, built-in diagonal indentation for slicing in half. Number 5. Breville Sandwich Maker. The ability to heat up quickly helps this sandwich maker great for various kinds of food, such as toasted bread, barbecue, grilled cheese, sandwich, steak, or panini. Its wide surface makes it perfect for family use. The product can serve 4 to 5 people at a time. Thanks to the floating hinge, you are free to choose how thick your sandwiches will be. The brushed stainless steel housing makes this device look great and stand out in your kitchen. Although the plates are fixed, cleaning is also hassle-free because you can wipe it off with any piece of cloth. With the indicator light, you don't need to make any guesswork. That's why this product is also suitable for busy people and newbies. Key features: non-stick and scratch-resistant surfaces, able to serve 4 to 5 people, adjustable height control. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one and we hope you liked this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.